Hello everyone, today I have this $150 build and it's actually insane for 1080p gaming. The motherboard has an M4 socket and is from Gigabyte Prime. At least it has 4 RAM slots and it's actually enough for overclocking and gaming. The motherboard has a small factor with only 3 slots, but it's more than enough. 4K supports way bigger motherboards, so it's not gonna be a problem fitting it in. The CPU cooler is from Thermalite and it supports about 100 watt, so it's not gonna be a problem if I overclock the Ryzen 5. I will also use an Arctic fan, so it's gonna be way better than the original Thermalite fan. For the storage, it's 128GB from Crucial and 500GB hard drive disk. It's gonna be enough for most games. The RAM is 16GB from G-Skill and it's definitely gonna be enough. It doesn't have a heatsink, but it's not gonna be a problem because RAM doesn't overheat at all. The power supply is a 500 watt from CCL and it's also gonna be enough because the GPU doesn't need that much power. It also has some beautiful black cables and they are a good quality. The GPU is a GTX 1070 with 8GB and it's more than enough for any games. Even Cyberpunk should work at about 60 FPS on low to medium settings. It also looks very good and it has some good LEDs on the side and the back of the GPU. The build looks really good and I think that it's one of the best builds that you can get for that money. You can handle all the games that you want, even the newest games, but it's gonna be needing some settings tweaking.